What if being financially smart was more about understanding than hustling? The surprising truth about Pro-Savvy Finance in 2026 might change how you think. Pro-Savvy Finance positions itself as a smart money education and planning platform. It's designed to help users make informed decisions rather than emotional ones. When you onboard, Pro-Savvy builds a detailed financial profile that breaks down spending, saving, debt, and future potential. One of its most powerful tools is decision simulation. Users can test scenarios like paying down debt faster, adjusting spending, or increasing income, and instantly see the long-term impact. You won't believe how often small changes outperform extreme ones. ProSavvy also offers guided insights written in plain language. Instead of financial jargon, it explains why certain patterns matter and what typically works for people in similar situations. Most people get this wrong by copying advice blindly, but ProSavvy focuses on personalization. However, ProSavvy does not automate transactions or manage money directly. It's a thinking tool, not a money-moving app. That means results depend on your follow-through. So, is ProSavvy Finance still worth it in 2026? If you want clarity, education, and smarter decision-making, yes, it's perfect for users who want to understand money deeply and take control intentionally. Subscribe for more no-nonsense finance reviews that help you stay ahead.